Hello and welcome to another window parts video. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to fit our brand new Flexi door lock. First off, take your old handles off and remove any Phillips screws holding the door lock in and pull that out as well. Take your old door lock and place it on the floor. Once you've done this, just run your finger down the Euro groove where the old lock was sitting, just to make sure there are no screws or any other obstructions that could stop the new lock from working. So just run your finger quickly down there just to make sure there's nothing in the way. After that's done, we will start setting up the new lock. You'll get your new lock and start to place it on top of the old one, lining it up with your old lock. So just line your hooks up with the old ones and adjust the plastic clips on there just to suit. What you'll see in this video is that our hooks, they slide up and down, which is quite a unique feature with our lock, is it slides up and down, so you can slide the hooks into the new positions to suit your old door lock. As you'll see in this video, it just slide it along those two clips, those two plastic clips holding the hooks to the body rails. As you can see in this video here, just slide them up and down. Okay, once you're happy with that, grab the two rectangular holding plates and slot them in between your two plastic clips. These hold the two parts together. Once you've done that, just push the plastic clips to butt up right against it. Pick up the door lock holding this part, holding those metal rectangular parts, and place it into your door. It should just push in. It might be a little bit here and there, but it should just push in. Don't worry about the hooks coming out as you're doing this, because when you're fitting it, you'll push it back up and fit it into place anyway, which we'll show you in a sec. So just make sure it all sits in correctly. Make sure the gearbox in the middle lines up with all your handle holes. And just check all the places are sitting nice in situ in your door. Just double check it up and down, make sure. Then you will take these two parts here and you'll fit these on top of those rectangular metal fixing brackets. You'll do that with either a drill or a screwdriver, preferably a drill, because there might be a bit of metal reinforcing in the door. Once you've done that, fit your hooks in place with just one screw in each side, one at the top, one at the bottom. Make sure these are still sitting in the open position where the hooks are inside. What this does here is this fixes these in position so they won't move around as you're making small adjustments. So, a good idea at this point is to put your handle on and just check it, see if it's moving. If it isn't moving, what we'll show you here is take your screwdriver and just where you've fitted that plate earlier, that screw that you've done, just loosen it off a touch, maybe a quarter of a turn on each one. Because if it's too tight, it will obstruct it in a way. So just loosen them off slightly and then try it again. And just keep loosening them off just a little, touch at a time, until you finally get it to move. If you do it up too tight, it will stop moving. Just loosen them off touch. Okay, and then we're going to fix the cover plates. So what these do is you take them and you slide them into that metal brackets in the middle between the two hooks, between the hooks and the body. Okay, so just line them up with the hole on the hook. There'll be a hole at the bottom of the hook. Line your cover plate hole with that hole and screw through it, and that will fix that onto the door. do the same with the other one. You'll have 2 sets of plates, 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom, and what these do is they overlap each other, so they cover all of those internal gubbins, so that you won't see anything when you're fitted, so make it look a lot nicer. Yep, and just screw it onto the door like that. Again, don't do these up too tight, because again, they might be a bit too tight and it'll stop the door from fitting. Just as soon as you start to feel a little bit of resistance as they get in, best to stop. Again, you can just loosen these off with a screwdriver if you feel you need to. So again, place both in there, they overlap each other, cover up any holes or any of the internals from outside interference. Do them up nice and tight. Not too tight, obviously. Take your handle and just give it a whirl. Make sure it all locks properly. Make sure it all throws out. Okay. Look at that. One Flexi door lock fitted to a door. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.